Now, dear students, in today's class, we will take an account of foreign trade under British rule. India had occupied an important place in the area of foreign trade. As you know, since ancient times, India was a main exporter of finished goods such as fine cotton, silk textiles, iron goods, wood goods, ivory work, and precious stones. But British rule in India converted India into a net exporter of raw material and importer of finished goods because British pursued discriminatory policy of trade and tariff. There was a shift in Indian there was a shift in India's composition of trade as well as direction of trade. As India was a colony of British, more than 50% of exporters and importers were restricted between India and Britain. While exporters of primary products supplied inputs to British industry and importers of finished goods from Britain provided a huge market to the British industry. So, as a result, India's exporters exceeded her importers, implying a surplus of balance of trade. This surplus was largely due to export of primary goods and not due to industrial goods, which is a sign of economic backwardness. So, due to huge exports of primary goods, which are used as industrial raw material in Britain, there was a domestic shortage of these goods. Still worse was the fact that the trade surplus was not used for development of the country. It was rather used to meet administrative expenses of British governments and to meet war expenses fought by British government. This implied huge drain of Indian wealth from the country towards British.